G'day. Crack that. So I'm just starting off a wee village of Stavely. Nice spider in the camera. So that's a nice wee village, Staveley. Just got off the train. Lovely background. Just walking up the wee back road. Don't exactly know what way I'm going, but I'm going to Skeggles Water. Just go look at the map and just go from there. Jump a few fences, whatever. But it's really nice here. So I'll go up there on the wee tarn, bit of fishing. Hopefully there's a few brown trout or something, because I was out last week, like a fake gulp and blind tarn up Stavely way. Nice spot. So even I forgot to get water or a cup of tea or anything. So for breakfast, nice can of the cruise, and a wee pork pie. Do this nicely. Okay now, can's nearly bigger than me. So I'm just going to chill here for 10-15 minutes, take a nice wee view, then get cracking. As we have news. Nice wee apple tree just on the road. Did you see it like that? We're here for survival, we're eating them anyway. With apple stew or something. That looking nice. We're almost getting to the point we can start getting the views of the big fells. So we like, what do you call it, Kentmere horseshoe or whatever it's called. I was up there last week. I went to, where did I go to? Oh, I went from Windermere to Penrith. It's a 2-day trek. So we did a bit of the Kentmere horseshoe thing. And across up High Street, overlooking Haweswater, then towards Ullswater and Penrith. You got the second day, nearly 20 miles, and they fucking killed me. These shoes were too small. Feet were busted, having to stop every mile or so. Live and learn, so best thing they wear is just those shitty running shoes. Well, nice wee grey clouds starting to build up. Hope there's no rain today because I didn't bring a raincoat. No raincoat, no water. I suppose the water was out. I think I have a can. I must be close enough up here to get a nice view. There we go, the views are starting to get better. Down that way is Windermere. You're trekking, you will come across all up around them hills there. Maybe fingers out of the camera. This is the wee stream that comes off Skeggles Water. Bad wee size, so I'm hoping it's a decent lake. Maybe some fish in it, I don't know. If there is, it's probably small because it's a smallish tarn. So there won't be much to feed off, I assume. But you never know. So for the rest of the way, I'm just going to go off track, stay on the stream. It's a bit boring on the trail sometimes. Fire here. The heather burnt out. It's just one big patch. Somebody eats it with some wee barbecue right here. Strange spot for it, but hey. Oh fuck. Never float your boat, I suppose. It's a lovely place for a barbecue. But I don't be using barbecues, it's the point. Lovely furry fella. Jeez, I haven't seen a caterpillar like that in years. There's a carpet. There we go, starting to get a wee glimpse at it now. The last 15 minutes walk through the marsh. Well, if you can, stay on a path, because fucking hell, feet are soaking down. You need to go over your cankles as well. Well, here we are. It's a bit smaller than I thought, but that'll do me. All that left hand side is mostly reed, so the best fishing spot really is just right where I am. I could try from the opposite bank, but I think there's my camping spot anyway. So I'm not very, I don't know what you think would be fish on there. If there is, they're going to be tiny, but it's worth a cast. That's us set up. The wee Vango Blade 100. It's a good wee tent, you just have to get it right because it's a one metal pole goes through it. If you mess about with it or don't get the tension right in the wind, it can be a tough old night. It goes mad, so it does. Well, that seems it's not too bad. Quite rocky in the ground, couldn't get the pegs in properly. But actually, a good wee tent. Nostalgic because it's one of my first proper tents I bought. I bought that and the Vango Banshee 200 at the same time. Love both of them. Great tents. I sold that the 200. Ended up buying two more, as you do. But no, Vango, great quality tents. Hard to whack. There we go. That'll keep us going tonight. Munchies. Probably dinner I'll have some noodles and mackerel, tuna. That'll do dinner. Lunch soon enough. Eggs and pasta. It's not pasta like a ragu. Mr. Ragu I made the other day. That'll do us nicely. A few Bronte biscuits, mini cheddars, beef jerky, pork jerky. Then pack of crisps, that'll do us for the whiskey. But I'm looking forward to getting stuck in. On cruise control this evening. Lovely. Pine cans too. Yes. Then there's two wee flaskies of Whiskers. I'll do as nice as that cheap stuff from Aldi, but it's all the same. Fuck's sake, first cast. Bollocks. It's time to get fed before we start the liquor. A cup of tea as well. I have one ages since I woke up this morning. There we go, it's easy. Magic mushies. Oh, keep forgetting of the water. So I'll use the water from the tarn, but it's a bit doesn't look the best, so I'm just gonna put a wee water purifying tablet in the water, maybe for half an hour. That should be good to go. Probably be alright boiled, but it's a bit stanky out there, so I'm not bothered. I'm taking my chances there. So the light cans there. Oh yes. That's nice and peaceful up here as well. 2 can. Tell you what, the temperature's dropping a bit. Supposed to get about 5 or 6 during the night. That's not too bad. You got like a proper sleeping bag and all. Last week I went out with just a wool blanket, fucking freezing all night. I think I'll take a wee walk up the top of there because it gets a view of the back fells. So I just put all my stuff back in the tent. Even the fresh ration rod. I won't leave anything with the hooks or anything lying about just in case there's sheep or something coming in. There we go. I'll take a few supplies with this. We'll go down to the wee half hour, get a nice wee view. We'll give you a bit of phone signal as well. Put a few tunes on or something. Really nice cow. Got a hair. Shave that off, make a blanket or something. Sludge. Just put a wee bubble out there. I've been fishing much, but I don't think there's any point. There's nothing in there. Just no activity at all. I went about to throw it in. Fell in the water. The hook caught my leg. The worm fell off. Fucking hell, I had to redo it again. I'm just going to leave it now like that and just have a drink. I've given up on now fishing. It ain't happening here. I sort of knew it anyway, but let's try it, don't we? Next time I go somewhere I actually know there is definitely fish. More worthwhile. Get the wee cup filled up. Lovely. Well, when all else fails, a wee whiskey, we can. A few mini cheddars. Lovely. Right, it's time for the tent now. It's getting cold enough. Not freezing, but just that feeling that comes after summer. Just feel the temperature dropping a couple of degrees. Makes a difference. 360. Oh, the bat just went past there. Oh, so inside I'm on the Vango 100. It's like a wee one-man coffin style sort of, but it does the job, especially in the winter when it's cold. You don't want a big tent when it's cold. You want the smaller to keep the heat on. So this is the front part. The camera go out. So we front part it. I mean, you can do your cooking still. Not a problem. Then inside is literally just. So I'm walking inside and that's the wee coffin, really. It's cozy. It's the main thing. Just get those cold clothes off now. Sweet. This is the best bit of camping. Getting in your tent. Getting comfortable. Getting on your warm stuff. Your long johns and that. Can't beat it really. Just got noodles all over the fucking place. There's a tune opening. Fucking hell. If I forget that ever, I'm gonna go nuts. But there we go. That's grand there. That's just nice. When you get on, get everything right, everything cozy. Change your fucking shoes, your socks, all the works. The long johns on. Just get comfortable. There's no better place really. No wonder anything is all good. Not too cold either. Should be a nice calm night. There we go. Nice biddles of noodles. Ah, beaut. That's all you need when you're out camping. Some noodles, some tuna or something like that does the job. Some biscuits. That's just nice being on here and just warm. And then dinner is gurgling away. Lovely. Just browned out last night. Oh, get out. Oof. A few whiskies got me. Had my noodles, made a mess. Woke up about 4 in the morning. It was nice and warm all night. Put on any layers or anything, just out long johns. All on them. So, get up now, a wee cup of tea and that. A nice calm morning. Couldn't chip your burble out there, but I could doubt anything's going on. Made a right mess inside there last night. Trousers, socks, shoes completely soaked. I'm actually lucky I didn't completely fall in that water last night. I just went down up to my knees really. It's dangerous. You want a few drinks, maybe that's the problem. But just have to be careful. Colours in them. Nice. It's time to hit the road. Not a bad wee camp. It's a nice wee spot. Same about the fish, but look for somewhere else next time. That's what it's all about. Just messing about and see what happens. Well, it was good to just make make a wee video first time I ever tried it. We'll see what we come up with. Broke the selfie stick as well, cheap crap. Just don't know how much you have to spend for a good decent one. God, it was only 10 quid or something like that. Right, so I'm going to walk around now to Campmere. From Campmere it'll bring me back and the Stavely train station way. So hopefully a few nice views on the way around. I get a wee cup of tea somewhere. So I don't even want to try out water. There's like a filament on it. Purify it and boil it, but yeah, no point in taking a chance. I'll go find another wee water source and have a wee cup of tea. Always kind of moorland, cliffy moorland here. It's on like out of the Lord of the Rings. Couple of Rohan. Yeah, the Lord of the Rings. Oh, it's there. So I think a wee path take us down towards Campmere, I think. Hoping the way I can find a nice wee clean stream for a wee brew. Thursday this morning. Mad. A spot up here is. Oh, what the crack these wee houses are. The old culters are. Looks nice. Oh, that proper down the valley then. Unreal. I could probably get the best of my big cheap shitty Huawei phone, but that's something there. Definitely do this track again. Do the full circle. Proper rural area. The one we track for the cars. Doubt there's many come up and down here. That's a nice thing. Just walk on the wee roads unbothered. We're almost at camp here now. Just down there is the Campmere River. It's falling that into the village. They're a wee cup of tea out of that. They're not going to see what wee shops they have. There we go, River Campmere. Tell you what I really like around here. Really nice, haven't seen anybody since I started walking yesterday. I've had a bit of peace and quiet come Campmere way. Just saw a wee fish over here, 2 seconds. How clean that is, lovely. Yeah, beautiful brown now. Yeah, wee fish in there. Have to check that. I'm sure you'll need a proper license from there. I'll have to look it up. Have a nice wee spot for a day's fishing. I'm going to end the video here. Just on the Campmere River, wee broom. Walk Campmere and I'll walk back about 4 or 5 mile walk. Well, hopefully I'll edit this video as I was saying. First time I've ever made a video, so probably absolutely crap, but we'll see what we can get out of it. And hopefully we'll get back out again next week. Well, we've got a fishing. Hopefully a tarn we're actually fishing it this time. Well, it's been nice to see how we fish in this river. Yeah.